Hi there, it's great to have you here. Now let me walk you through how to use the Immortalize Elderhood Marketplace. First, head over to Immortalize website. Click on this button and it will take you straight to our marketplace. You can start exploring the marketplace or sign up for an account to enable additional features that will make your search process a breeze. Next, see this filter button? Click on it, and it will open up a pop-up that will give you immense power to filter for what you want. For example, let's say you're interested in drafting a will. Click on Will in the filter options and add any other restrictions that you need and then hit Apply. Once done, you'll see a list of all the providers, from online wills, will writing companies, to lawyers who can help you with wills. Not only can you see who offers these services, but you'll also get a quick glance at their starting prices. There are wills that start from $39 and wills that start from $5,000. What's the difference? Compare the details by clicking on the Add to Compare List button to add them to your Compare drawer. You can compare up to 5 providers at any one time. Once you've selected your providers, click on Compare Now. You'll see their services side by side with easy-to-read rows for a quick comparison. If you are logged in, you can compare the offerings you've previously filtered directly in this column for easy comparison. Your selections and comparison list will also be automatically saved, so you can just simply access the list whenever you return. Additionally, if the pricing details here don't specify your specific requests, use our Get a Quote function to get pricing specific to your requirements. Simply state your requirements and select the providers that you would like to request the quote from. Once you've sent your request, you can view the provider's responses in your message box and continue the conversation with them there. If you want to learn more about a provider, just click See Profile. This will give you a detailed view of what they offer and help you make an informed decision. And when you're ready to take the next step and book an appointment, just click on Book Now to request a meeting with your chosen provider or purchase the product and manage all your elderhood affairs in your dashboard. It's that simple. And with that, you're ready to make the most of the Immortalize Elderhood Marketplace. Whether it's booking an appointment, purchasing a product, or managing your plans, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Time to dive in and take the next step in your elderhood planning journey.